I'm driving there, and then I'll be in the passenger seat on the way back just to console him if he's scared. I know this will be the first time the dog will be away from his mom. So y'all, I'm so excited. I'm about to be a dog mom. I've been talking about this for 2 years now. It's finally happening. See if you walk over. How you doing it, babe? Well, I can't drink no more of that. It's leaking all on this cup. No. Here. My fur baby. See my fur baby? He was trembling when he first got in the car, but he's comfortable now, so it's good. I'm so excited. My little fur baby, Max. That's what I changed his name, but that's what Max, y'all.
She's so tired. You can't find your key. No, you're kidding.
So I
gotta go. I'm with us. I can have one away. I mean, I would drive you. I've been drinking. I'll take it.
What? No. Yeah, I can't let you.
Come on, Max. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Max got these toys everywhere in this place. Max. 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 You hear me talking to you, Max? He's so nervous. My baby's so nervous, y'all. Gotta get the rest of your shots, okay? I know. Yeah, I just had weight on that thing.
So it's like
2.6.
Yeah. So that's close. So it's ounces.
Okay.
So you want to hold him so he doesn't walk off.
Yeah. Well, I don't think he's scared. He's not.
Sometimes these little puppies just get disoriented. Yeah, 2.6 pounds. Yep.
Oh, okay.
So ounces is a little different.
Okay.
So I always like to look. All right, let me go talk with Dr. Marcy and see what we can do. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll be back.
Groomer and act a fool and embarrass mama. And sometimes they'll do that anyway. But at least you can say you did your job. Okay, I'm just feeling your lymph nodes. Ears good. Okay. Spin you around. And if you're a little lymph nodes back here, let me check your toe beans. Okay. Kneecaps. Awesome. Check you for your man parts, okay? Have they dropped yet? Close. They're almost there. I can feel them both, so that's good. That's good. Awesome. Hips out. Oh, big stretch. I know. Okay. You're looking good. Let me take a listen. You're looking so good so far. You're looking so good so far. Heart and lungs sound amazing. One last thing. I checked your teeth, but I didn't check your soft palate. I gotta check all the way back in there. You gotta open up for me. Okay, thank you. Thank you. You did so good. You look great. You look